In this video I'm going to show you guys how to delete a playlist on YouTube. This should work on both iOS and Android, of course. So if you want to delete a playlist, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, open your YouTube app, of course. Click on the bottom right corner on Library. And as you can see, your playlists are right here. Click on the playlist you want to delete and just click on this trash can icon and click delete. And yeah, that's it. So click on the trash icon and click delete. And now you've deleted a playlist. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.